Hi kids! The Boulder City Library Youth Department has something just for you. Right now, when you call to get your books, you can request a watercolor set. This watercolor set will be put in your bag with your books. Also, a couple of sheets of really thick paper. It's cardstock, so it should hold the water pretty well. You can pick up your bag of books and your watercolor set from our curbside service. All you have to do is call to get a time and day set up to come and get your books and your paint set. If you're not sure what to do with your paint set, we have some books that might give you some ideas. We have this book about watercolor by Ray Smith. And this one will tell you how to make a masterpiece. This one will give you some good ideas on some techniques. It's called An Introduction to Watercolor. When you call to request your books, you might want to request some of these as well. Happy painting!